is John Klein. I'm originally from New Jersey. I am a retired detective sergeant from New Jersey and currently work as a firefighter paramedic in South Carolina. Just over the years, wear and tear on the body, chronic shoulder injuries, chronic shoulder pain, chronic lower back pain. Um, you're constantly lifting and moving patients, as a paramedic, picking them up, putting them on the stretcher, moving them from the stretcher to a hospital bed. So it puts a lot of wear and tear on your body. I've been lifting probably since high school, probably close to 30 years now. Um, Always lift heavy in the gym. So again, the lifting puts a wear and tear on your body. Heavy squats, heavy deadlifts, always puts a lot of pressure and stress on your back. I've been coming now probably 3, maybe 4 months, and I've noticed that the continued adjustments definitely help. It reduces the inflammation, reduces the pain, and does help with the recovery time as far as your muscles go with the gym. So on top of the adjustments, I'm getting shockwave therapy for just some chronic muscle spasms in my shoulder and my back, and chronic bicep tendonitis. I did see a chiropractor up in New Jersey, and when I relocated, this is my first chiropractor in South Carolina. The staff is open-minded. They're very open. They talk to everybody. You make you feel relaxed and comfortable. It's a welcoming environment. The doctor is great. Same thing. Bedside manner is excellent. He talks to you. He doesn't kind of talk down to you. Breaks everything down so you can understand it, and works with you through the entire process. If you're considering it, try it. It is absolutely worth every minute that you're here. It does improve your quality of life. Helps you get around more and reduces just everyday pain and joint discomfort.